Let's make us a nice coffee today. So we're making a toasted s'mores latte here, and a decaf because, you know, caffeine and me are not agreeing. I have a heart condition, so yep. The best way to do this is to combine your chocolate sauce and your espresso in here. I am using the Nescafe in decaf, and per the instructions, 1 teaspoon versus 2 ounces of water is an espresso. And then if you want an Americano, do 6 ounces of water. So we're gonna do 2 shots, essentially. And yeah, so I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of here, and then I'm gonna do 4 ounces of water. That's gonna give me, because I've got a big cup. I've got a 24-ounce cup. We're not gonna fill it all the way up with drink. I'm gonna do mostly ice, but yeah, you get the gist. So first is our chocolate sauce. I'm using the Ghirardelli here, and so I would say start with however much you like. I am a chocolate girly, so I'm gonna do about 2 tablespoons because I want it chocolatey. Then we're gonna put our finely ground espresso powder in there. And I'm getting 2 teaspoons there. So I've added the water. I'm just gonna give it a good mix. Mix that chocolate. And I do warm water instead of hot water because this is an iced drink. And because it's so fine, it will mix well together. And you wanna make sure to lift your spoon to make sure none of that chocolate is left. So as you start to see, there's no more chocolate left on the bottom. And if you taste it and you feel like, you know what, that's not enough chocolate or whatever, put a little bit more. Now we're gonna open up our toasted marshmallow syrup. I have to assemble the pump together that comes with it. And I hate that syrups don't come in like a smaller size. This is the exact same size that they use at my local coffee shop. So I'm just like, bro, this is insane. So, and it says on the packaging that 1 pump is 1/4 fluid ounce. So now that we've gotten that together. So, all right, and then, so I'm gonna put 2 pumps of this in here. 2, and then I'm gonna stir it up some more. And then I'm gonna pre-taste it. Oh yeah. 2 pumps is just enough. I'm gonna do like another pump just because I'm a lush. Oh yeah. Now for our ice in our cup. So we got our cup. And we got our ice. I got this ice cube tray, I think from TJ Maxx or Home Goods or whatever. And it makes the little cubes of ice. Not too small, but not too big, perfectly squared. I love this ice. I also like to do it in this silver little cup because if you want to do a refill, all right? If you want to do a refill, you can just make it in your silver pot and then reuse your ice, and your ice is already coffee flavored. And then last but not least, I use Oatly vanilla oat milk creamer. It is a little sweet. It is a little sweet, so be aware. There we go. Oh my goodness. And y'all, put that lid on good. Oh my God. And there we have it. A toasted s'mores oat milk latte, decaf.